Hello guys, today I'm presenting you my Stevens Super Prestige cross bike. Yeah, how I already said, it's a Stevens Super Prestige. I'm running Ultegra Di2 on it, very happy with it. The wheels are from Crest, the stands, they are aluminium ones, but they are very light and I'm very happy with them. They're also very robust. They are normally for mountain bike, but I use them for CX because they are wider, so you don't get a flat tire as fast if you are running normal road wheels. Then I have the Challenge Limus as a tire. Yeah, very happy with it. Very grippy, but also in the mud it's an excellent tire. And yeah, as all-rounder I'm using the X1 from Schwalbe. Yeah, it's they were on it, so yeah, I'm not very happy with them. I'm also not I'm mostly using the Limus ones, but I'm also thinking about for next year to buy the Griffo and yeah, as all-rounder. Then my saddle is the Sella d'Italia X Cross. I changed the saddle. I had the scoreboard, the normal one, on it, but yeah, it broke here and makes some noise, and this wasn't very good, so it took some nerves sometimes. So yeah, I changed it. I chose the Sella d'Italia. It's a light one, also a robust one, and yeah, it's the X Cross SLR. It's yeah, it's for cross. It's a little bit more robust here on the sides, and here this one is also a little bit robuster. So yeah, I'm very happy with the saddle. No problems at all at the moment, and yeah, here I have also the Ultegra RX. It's for the cross. You can switch it off and on so that the chain doesn't move as much in the cobbles, or for example yeah, in the normal grass where it's a little bumpy. So yeah, then yeah, I have as pedals I have the XDR. Yeah, very happy with them, also very light, and yeah, I'm using them as I'm using XDR since I have a child, not the XDR, also the XDR, the normal ones. I have the XDR because they're a little bit lighter. Yeah, that was all about my bike. I hope you like the bike. I like it very much. Yeah, it's a 56. It's a 56, yeah, and yeah, very happy. I hope you liked the video, and now a little porn video of the bike.